Hello, good afternoon. My name is Father Rayappa from the village called Kattupadi near Vellore, South India. Today I'm going to read from the encyclical Laudato Si um, on integral ecology, chapter 4. In chapter 4, there is a subheading called the principle of the common good. So I'm going to read two paragraphs in this shooting 156, 156, 157. So again, Pope Francis is talking about human ecology. As I have already explained in another talk, human ecology simply means relationship between human individual or human society collectively or social systems like church, other religions, interacting with ecology and environment. In short, human ecology is a relationship between humans and ecology and environment. That's simple. So Pope is writing in 156, human ecology is inseparable from the notion of the common good, a central and unifying principle of social ethics. The common good is the sum of those conditions of social life which allow social groups and their individual members relatively thorough and ready access to their own fulfillment. Common good, you see, in integral ecology, the main thrust is reaching to the common good. That is what integral ecology is all about. In atoms, proton, electron, neutron, all the three components, they all work in unison for the common good of the atom. And in ecosystems, the producers, consumers, and decomposers, they all work in unison and they don't confront each other. They do their own business so perfectly well to maintain the common good of the ecosystem. And the whole cosmos, the sun and the stars and the planets, all of them they rotate and they move on their orbits and they do their work so perfectly to maintain the common good of the cosmos. Even in divinity, Father, Son, Holy Spirit, three persons, they integrally they work together to for the best of the common good of godliness. That is what integral ecology is all about. So that is what Pope Francis is talking about. He says human ecology is inseparable from the notion of the common good. So common good is everybody feels content, everybody feels equal, everybody feels integral, not isolated, one in creation. And also everybody feels the relationships intact, the three integral relationships with God, with fellow humans, and with creation. When these three, they are integral and they are always working in working order, I think we have attained common good. So that is what Pope Francis is talking about in paragraph number 156. So we continue to 157 now. Underlying the principle of the common good is respect for the human person as such, endowed with basic and inalienable rights ordered to his or her integral development. It has also to do with the overall welfare of society and the development of a variety of intermediate groups applying the principle of subsidiarity. Outstanding among those groups is the family as the basic cell of society. Finally, the common good calls for social peace, the stability and security provided by a certain order which cannot be achieved without particular concern for distributive justice. Whenever this is violated, violence always ensues. Society as a whole and the state in particular are obliged to defend and promote the common good. So I think showing respect to each human person and uh, accepting every human person as your own brother, giving them rights, giving them subsidiarity when they need it, giving them food, housing, clothing, their fundamental rights, and providing justice, peace, contentment, happiness. So this is the common good. So when there is conflict in this, when human person doesn't receive all this, then violence erupts, conflicts arise, and war. So common good is at stake. So Pope Francis is asking the politicians or the people in power like United Nations to defend and promote the common good when it is threatened. So this is the very important task of government and also individual. Individual also should take responsibility to maintain and to promote common good. Society also should try to promote common good, and ultimately government and regulations and legislations should ensure the promotion of common good. So when there is common good, that is a perfect cosmos. Even St. Thomas Aquinas talks about common good. Ultimately, common good is the essence and the law and the truth of our existence. Please read Laudato Si, Pope Francis' encyclical on ecology and environment, and paragraph number 156, 156, and 157. I think you'll be able to understand much better. Happy reading and God bless. Thank you.